Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add diesel exhaust fluid in 2015 Ram ECODiesel. This is gonna apply to ECODiesel's Ram made from 2014 and all the way up to 2023. So first, if you check your instrument cluster on the left hand side right here, you can see how much fluid do you have. So I am getting close to the red field there, so I decided to add some fluid. When adding fluid, make sure you turn off the vehicle and then get out of the vehicle, and you need to locate your gas door, which is located on the driver's side and it's right here. So open it up, and next step is to open this blue cap for diesel exhaust fluid. So turn it counterclockwise and remove it. Prepare your diesel exhaust fluid, and what you need to do, you will have to place this end inside this hole, then flip the bottle and fill it up. I'm filling it up. When you're all done, close this cap, turn it clockwise, make sure it sits properly there, and close your gas door. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.